Good morning. I'm Kirk Wright. I work for University Payables, and we're going to talk about your business purpose. In the early stages of entering your travel expense report into TEM, you will come to the field for putting in your business purpose. Why is Payables always asking for more details in your business purpose? The information you put in this field is important so that you don't end up paying taxes at the end of the year on the reimbursement money that got deposited into your account. To the IRS, it might look like you got some extra paychecks during the year, and they'll want their portion. We're here to help you avoid that. You avoid those income taxes by staying in compliance with what's called the IRS Accountable Plan, which is an established set of rules and guidelines set up to protect you. And when we follow those rules regarding your travel reimbursement, you won't pay taxes on it. One of those rules is providing a clear and legitimate business purpose. We want you to tell us who you are, where you went, and why you went there. And most important, what was the benefit to the university for this trip? Give us the details, please. If you just enter in, went to a conference in Phoenix, and nothing else, that expense report is going to come back to you asking for more details in the business purpose section. We're going to need more, because the IRS needs more. A few tips when you're typing in your business purpose. Please don't use acronyms. If you say, we went to XYZ conference for ABC project, Payables is not going to know what that means. Acronyms are unique to each department, and there are a lot of departments. So take the extra few seconds to spell those words out for us. Also, try to avoid vague descriptions like had a business lunch or bought necessary supplies. Tell us why you had that business lunch. Why were those supplies necessary? And again, what was the benefit to the university? It's all part of the business purpose, one of the established guidelines to help you from being taxed on your reimbursement according to the IRS Accountable Plan.
Your business purpose statement should explain both the what and why of your expense. So for example, let's say you wrote in EA Symposium. That's not very descriptive and would likely be rejected. A better way to write that would be presented a paper at the Exotic Animal Symposium to share research with colleagues and encourage collaboration in future research projects. Now that's a great business purpose. Here's one more we see a lot. Meal with colleagues. Okay, it tells us the what, but we really need more detail. A better description would be business meal with Dr. Jane Davis, guest speaker from Purdue University, and Dr. Malcolm Coates, assistant professor at NYU. Many people besides university payables look at these expense reports. There are internal and external auditors, grants reviewers, and people who make requests through the Freedom of Information Act.